Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies for a 1-year-old baby. First, always consult your pediatrician before introducing new foods. Ensure all ingredients are fresh and thoroughly washed. Start with small portions, around 2 to 4 ounces, to check for any allergies. Remember, never add honey to smoothies for babies under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism. Safety is paramount when preparing food for your little one. When selecting ingredients, prioritize soft fruits like ripe bananas, avocados, and various berries, which blend smoothly. Don't forget to include nutrient-rich vegetables such as a handful of spinach or some cooked sweet potato. For the liquid base, breast milk, formula, or plain whole milk are excellent choices. You can also boost nutrition by adding a healthy fat, like a quarter of an avocado or a teaspoon of chia seeds, for extra benefits. Achieving the right consistency is key for baby smoothies. Use a high-speed blender to ensure the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps, which can be a choking hazard. Adjust the liquid content carefully to reach a consistency that your baby can easily drink from a cup. Start with less liquid and gradually add more until it's just right. Serve the smoothie immediately or store it in an airtight container for up to 1 day. When serving, offer the smoothie in an open cup or with a straw to encourage good oral motor development. Remember to introduce new ingredients one at a time, waiting 3 to 5 days between each new food to monitor for any reactions. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Always observe your baby closely for any signs of discomfort or allergic reactions after trying new foods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.